Good morning all and investor. Today our company will present about our company which is a scale up. Before the presentation start, let's meet with our team. My name is Nurhaliza Adriani as a president of the company.
And my name is Denny Himawan as Vice President Human Resource.
And I'm Anindita Araya as a Vice President of Accounting and Finance.
And my name is Wina Leonita as a Vice President of Sales Management and Marketing.
I'm Aulia Rahma as Vice President Business Analytics and Manufacturing.
Our company has a vision to become a pioneer in the cycling habit to support one of the goals of the global sustainable development and creating a healthy life. And for the mission, our company have a mission make an efficient bicycle for our daily activities. So this is our company profile of Scale Up. Our company was founded from April 2021, and the company name is Scale Up, and the brand name is Scale Your Bike for the recreation, Scale Your Hexa for the mountain, and Scale Your Wheel for the speed. Our company address on Pucang Asri 1 Street, number 15, Gubeng Kartajaya, Surabaya City, Indonesia, 60282. And company value is affordable price, easy to drive, easy to carry, various color variant, and easy to assemble, and the last, safe and comfortable. You can see from this graphic, here is the balance score from the first to third quarter. Our company did not change in the chart because our company is still doing market research from that quarter. Our company have a cumulative industry result on quarter three, have a greatest value on cumulative investment in future. The number is 10.299, and the lowest have a cumulative financial performance is a negative 0.462.
Few financial performance, and this is our financial performance on the first quarter until the third quarter. It started from 0.0 in the first quarter. It then leveled off in the next quarter. Then in the third quarter, it has dropped to negative 0.96. And then our market performance started from 0.0 in the first quarter. Then it almost reached 0.16 in the second quarter. It has dropped to 0.06 in the third quarter.
Segment by application, we can see here that the recreation bike segment ranked 5 out of 8. Then in the speed bike segment, it ranked second with the most sales, and in the mountain bike segment, it is fourth. Next. The following table show a fairly good company performance by having the best sales at number 3, even though as we know that the production we do per day is relatively small, but our sales are a lot. Next. Scale up strength and weakness. The problem of our company is how we can maximize the addition of worker and increase production capacity and the effectiveness of worker in production. But if we look at the opportunities, we have our company as a stable income. Then in the terms of investment, it is also the largest from other companies. It is indicates that we are focused on making continuous improvement in the future. Next.
And the next slide is strategy for next 3 quarters. First is marketing strategy. We can see the market performance here, and our marketing strategy of Scale Up is first, to focus on the larger segments. Second, focus on highly competitive segments. Third, be a fast followers and expand resources, which can distract the competitors. Fourth, open a new store in the high competitive segments. And the last is able to create demand in our primary and secondary segments. And this is our sales channels strategy. Our segments is first is recreation, second speed, and third is mountain. In here, we can see the sales total. Our strategy for sales channel is first to enter a new markets and introduce our products to more customers in different markets. Second, focus to scale our business to a new markets. And three is to boost our company reputation and name recognition. And the third is human resource strategy. In here, we can see the human resource management and competitors compensation for sales force. And this is the competitors compensation for production workers. We can see the company and certification here. And for human resource strategy, our strategy is first to increase amount of workers, and second, giving our workers a good compensation and salaries. And the fourth is manufacturing strategy. This is we can see the manufacturing productivity. And for manufacturing strategies, first is to launch a new product, and second, to increase new product capacity. In here, we can calculate the manufacturing productivity to percent of operating capacity used in production per 100 minus overtime as percent of operating capacity used per 2 per 100. And the last is financial strategy. In here, we can see the financial performance and how to calculate the financial performance, net profit from current operation, operating profit, gross profit, total expense, and investment in firm future. For financial, our strategy is first to increase every sales in each product, second to increase profit rate, and third to increase operating capacity.
And for the next is financial request. Amount of money being sold by Scale Up is about $800,000. And for the share price paid by venture capital is $60. So we can calculate for projected return on investment in 6 quarters is 133%. Next. Based on income statement data, projected earning per share of Scale Up is 14 and projected stock price in 6 quarters is 140. We desire 100 stock price, so the calculate of share offered is 800 shares. Next. Next, it's about Scale Up pro forma accounting. Next. It's the cash flow based on actual data from first quarter until third quarter and projection data from fourth quarter until sixth quarter. The calculation of cash balance in end of period is $4,009,877. Next. And it's the income statement. Based on data, we can calculate the earning per share in last quarter is 14. Next. It's the balance sheet based on actual data from first quarter until third quarter and projection data from fourth quarter until sixth quarter. The total assets and total equity is balanced. The total is $5,769,877. Next.
Next. Next. This is the following the tactical plan from the first quarter to the sixth quarter. So this is a segment target. The segment target from quarter 1 to quarter 6, we have a same segment. Yes, there is the first is recreation, the second is speed, and the third is mountain. The number of the new brand from the quarter 1 to the quarter 6, we minimize from 3 to 1, and the R&D from quarter 4, R&D for quarter 4, we booked a mountain super traction, and at the quarter 5 we booked racing slick and very fast, and quarter 6 we booked wet and dry carbon ceramic discs. Next. Next. Thank you for your attention. Before we close this presentation, are there any questions? And following question from the investor, we have a first question. The first question is, why did the financial declines to negative in the third quarter?
Okay, let me answer for the first question. So, why did our financial is negative? Because we have lost sales due to stock outs. So, to increase our financial performance in next quarter, we will increase profit rate and increase our operating capacity, include the total workers. So, uh, we want the positive performance in financial. Thank you.
Thank, thank you, Anindita. And the second question, we have a question. Why did you guys open a store in Amsterdam?
I want to answer that question. It is because our company think that it will be effective for the segment, and because in Amsterdam, the most good segments is recreation, and it's our first priority.
Thank you so much, Wina Leonita. Uh, Thank you for your attention. Let's be our investor. Uh, Thank you.